Ahlan wa sahlan, Habib here. Today we're speaking about Arabic plurals, so let's get straight into it. Let's start by speaking about English plurals. We create English plurals normally by adding an S. This S is called a suffix, and we just pop it on the end of the word. It goes from Muslim to Muslims, and there you go, we've got our plural. We create plurals in Arabic in a similar way by adding a suffix, but in fact there's two different suffixes which we can add. There's one for the dual, ani, and there's another one for the plural, una. And so let's start with the singular word, muslimun here, or Muslim. You can choose whether you want to vocalize that last vowel or whether you want to just leave it off. And then, so muslimun here, as we go to the dual, becomes muslimani. And then when we go to the plural, it becomes muslimuna. And there we go, we've got singular, dual, and plural. Let's put this into practice. So if we take the word mudarrisun, which means teacher, we can now go ahead and make it dual by adding the right suffix, ani. So we say mudarrisani. And then we can add the other suffix for the plural, mudarrisuna. And there we go, we've mapped on the suffixes from muslimani to mudarrisani, from muslimuna to mudarrisuna, and there we go, we've created a dual and plural for a different noun. Let's have a look at how this plays out in the feminine. There's actually another suffix that we need when we're creating feminine plurals. The dual suffix is very similar. The singular feminine of Muslim in Arabic is muslimatun. So if we're referring to a Muslim woman, we don't actually call her a Muslim, we call her a muslima, muslimatun. And then if we want to add the dual, we add this ani again, but in this time we put it right on the end and include that ta as well, so we say muslimatani. And when we go to the plural, interestingly enough, the atun suffix completely replaces the feminine marker in the singular, and we get muslimatun. So let's go ahead and try mapping that onto the word mudarrisatun for teacher, just like we did earlier in the masculine. And so we'll say mudarrisatani there. And then when we go to the plural, we say mudarrisatun. And there you go, we've got singular, dual, and plural in the feminine. So let's have a look at how this plays out across both genders. We have 6 different forms here: muslimun, muslimani, muslimuna, muslimatun, muslimatani, and muslimatun. And these 6 different forms give us a wide scope from which to approach nouns in Arabic. And you might be asking at this point, how about mixed groups? Well, I've created this diagram to help you out with this topic. Whenever we have mixed groups, we always use the masculine in Arabic. So we can call it the masculine or mixed gender. I like to think of it like that. So muslimani, we could have a man and a woman. That would be absolutely fine. We can use muslimani there. Muslimuna, again, can refer to a mixed group. But the feminine dual and plural can only refer to groups which are exclusively feminine. So bear that in mind. If you say muslimatani, you're only referring to 2 Muslim women, and there can't be a man on the scene. Again, the same with muslimatun. And this would go across all different nouns when we apply these suffixes. So today we've looked at the regular plurals in Arabic, but there are other ways to create plurals in Arabic, and if you know any of these ways, I'd love to see them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Ma'a salama.